Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate your video or photo from Teams on SharePoint on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Teams. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for that to load. Make sure you are signed into the account and now go to the Teams General where the video was posted. As you can see in the last tutorial, we did post a video. And so let's click on the three dots. Let's go to copy link. We would like to locate where this is located in. We know it's SharePoint. Let's now minimize Microsoft Teams for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Safari. Command and V to paste. This will now take us to ComputerScienceVideos.SharePoint. Let's X out of this video. And then it takes us back to SharePoint so we can now see where everything is saved in. Anything uploaded to Microsoft Office 365 will always be then saved in SharePoint. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.